Ready? Hello, hello, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? My name is... Great job! Okay, let's sing our days of the week. Today, let's clap up high, way over our heads. Are you ready? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Okay, now it's time to do our months dance. Everybody stand up. Ready? January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November and December. 12 months of the year. Woo, woo! Great job. Okay, now it's time to count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and today is number 23. Great job. Okay, now let's count how many days of school we have left. We have 1, 2, 3 days of school left. Great job, friends. Okay. Circle time is all done, all done, all done. Circle time is all done. Now it's time for play.